There, I'm Aarti Saxena. In my previous two videos, I started talking about risk taking, what it means, and in the next video, I talked about meditation, which is a powerful tool to take you through life while taking those risks. A fulfilling life is also significantly supported by lifelong learning, and we will talk about that today. As is the case universally, our formal education had a limited lifespan. But in those formative and higher education years, we didn't simply learn subject matter. We learned sport, art, physical education, etc. The common thread among these experiences is that the seed of learning was sowed in us. However, with that seed, our learning journeys have been unique. Let me share an anecdote from my learning journey. I was a not so good student at mathematics, and that is an understatement. When in grade 2, my favorite teacher just helped me scrape through with passing marks in a maths test. I was on top of the world. I remain grateful to her even today for doing me that favor and saving me from class and family shame. At the time, that outcome was perfect. What was not perfect though, that I continued to despise maths, didn't make a focused effort to learn it, and despite the many tutors that were hired, I stumbled my way through till grade 9. And then the inevitable happened. The dark clouds of grade 10 board examination were looming large. While I was a fairly good student in all other subjects, my limited learning and understanding of maths was bound to pull my overall grades down, therefore limiting my prospects of being admitted to the best college in the city. That realization or aha moment was a turning point for me, and I don't remember a single day passing in that year where I didn't put my heart and soul in getting the fundamentals of maths right and learning not just to get that score and the coveted college admission, but also to beat my resistance to learn the subject. Imagine the happily shocked faces around me when at the end I landed with a score of 136 on 150 in the maths board examination. Now, when I look back, what did I really learn? I didn't learn maths alone. I learned to beat resistance and exam anxiety. I learned to take up a challenge and punch it in its face. And I learned that confidence is earned, not received as a favor from anyone. And while those were only baby steps back then, they were the beginning of open minded lifelong learning. We find inspiration to learn and to be curious everywhere, only if we looked around. In the simple yet powerful words of Indra Nooyi, the CEO of PepsiCo, remain a lifelong student. Don't lose that curiosity. If there's anything we should cling on to, it is lifelong learning. Why? The curiosity that makes us socially aware, the learning that we seek from experiences, the learning that invites wisdom, the learning that helps us adapt to the changing world, the learning that keeps us enthusiastic about life on a daily basis. The more we learn, the more we remain curious, focused, tolerant, interested, and excited about what's coming up in life. So, what does lifelong learning mean to you? If you are looking for something new to learn today, observe any person's any one good quality and learn to adopt. Pick up an instrument and learn it even for a minute. Learn a new recipe. Learn to use a new app on your phone. Learn new makeup skills. Learn about a new religion, a new language, a new subject. Learn to smile at the things that would usually frown upon. Just about anything that makes you feel contributed and value added before you go to bed tonight. And do this every day. So, are you ready for lifelong learning? Thank you for your time, folks, and see you next week on another episode with Aarti. Bye bye.